Understanding loan commitments, a comprehensive guide. A loan commitment is an essential financial tool offered by banks and other financial institutions, providing an agreement to lend a specific sum of money to businesses or individuals. This financial product is particularly beneficial for those looking to purchase a home or make significant purchases, providing them peace of mind and financial stability when planning their investments. What is a loan commitment? In its simplest form, a loan commitment allows borrowers to access funds from a lender up to an agreed-upon limit. These loans can manifest as either a lump sum payment or an open-end loan commitment, such as a line of credit where borrowers can draw on funds as needed. Key features of loan commitments. Specified loan amount. The commitment stipulates the exact amount the borrower is entitled to receive. Open-end options. Borrowers can access a line of credit, making it flexible for various financial needs. Secured or unsecured types. The loan may be secured by collateral or based solely on the borrower's creditworthiness. The mechanics of a loan commitment. Assessing borrower's creditworthiness. Financial institutions evaluate the borrower's creditworthiness before approving a loan commitment. This assessment often includes credit scores, a measure of the borrower's credit history and capacity to repay debts. Debt-to-income ratio, a metric that compares total monthly debt payments to monthly gross income. Collateral value. In secured commitments, the actual value of the asset offered as collateral will be appraised. Secured versus unsecured loan commitments. Loan commitments can fall into two categories, secured and unsecured. Secured loan commitments. A secured loan commitment is one where the borrower provides collateral, such as mortgages. The home serves as collateral until the loan is paid off. Home equity lines of credit, HELOC, an amount borrowed against the equity of the home. Benefits. Typically lower interest rates due to reduced risk for lenders. Higher credit limits based on the asset's value. Drawbacks. If payment defaults occur, the lender can seize the collateral, leading to significant financial loss for the borrower. Unsecured loan commitments. An unsecured loan commitment does not involve any collateral. These loans are based primarily on the borrower's credit profile. Examples include unsecured credit cards. Money borrowed does not require any physical asset backing. Benefits. Faster approval processes with less paperwork. Drawbacks. Higher interest rates, making them an expensive option for consumers. Lower credit limits due to the increase in risk for the lender. Advantages of loan commitments. 1. Flexibility. Open-end commitments particularly allow borrowers to draw on funds as needed, making them ideal for managing unexpected expenses or emergencies. 2. Rebuild credit. Secured loans can assist borrowers in establishing or rebuilding their credit history, making them eligible for better financing options in the future. 3. Lower borrowing costs. Since secured loans usually carry lower interest rates, they can be more affordable over time. Disadvantages of loan commitments. Risk of property loss. For secured loans, the potential to lose collateral, such as a home or vehicle, can create significant financial strain if repayment difficulties arise. Higher costs of unsecured loans. The elevated interest rates can make unsecured loans a more expensive form of borrowing, particularly for those with less than perfect credit scores. Approval delays in secured loans. The more rigorous paperwork required for secured loans can lead to longer processing times compared to their unsecured counterparts. Conclusion. A loan commitment is a powerful financial tool that offers flexibility and access to necessary funds for personal or business needs. Understanding the intricacies, such as the differences between secured and unsecured loans, the importance of creditworthiness, and the advantages and disadvantages of each type, can empower borrowers to make informed financial decisions. Whether you're a homeowner in need of funds for a renovation project or a business planning for expansion, leveraging a loan commitment wisely can significantly impact your financial landscape. Further considerations. When contemplating a loan commitment, it's crucial to consider consulting with a financial advisor or loan officer to explore the best options tailored to your financial situation and goals.